Okay, hello everyone. Let us today try to write a program which is more meaningful rather than just writing a fixed message kind of a thing. Let us display something on the screen. Let's figure out what to do now. Uh, the simplest thing would be taking a potentiometer reading and displaying the potentiometer reading onto the LCD screen. So let us take a potentiometer onto our panel and connect it. All right, how do we connect it? We know how to connect a potentiometer. We know that I need to bring it very close to the screen so that both of them can be actually shown together. Let me bring this up here. All right, let's connect this to ground. Okay, this side to ground, we'll connect it here only. So that's not a problem. We've connected both of them to ground. I should have taken a breadboard, but okay, let us not worry about it. What about okay, the positive voltage? Positive voltage also we'll take it from here only. We'll take the positive voltage from the VCC because this is actually directly connected to VCC. So both the things are actually getting the voltage from there. The Viper we'll give it to an analog as an input. So I think this part is done. Now, what we need to do is we need to take the input from the potentiometer, and whatever is being read by the potentiometer is now going to be written onto the screen. So we are not using our serial monitor now, we are using this screen to display that. Let's work on that. Okay, first things first, I need to create a pin. I'll call it a potPin, which is equal to A0. And now I need to take the input from the potentiometer. So I'll take var is equal to analogRead from potPin, wherever it is. What do I need to display now? Not the welcome from, I'll say value from potentiometer. All right, I can't write the whole thing because that will go beyond the 16 characters. And now instead of uh, a fixed value RSKOURA over here, I'll display var. So basically both the things are going to be displayed on two different lines, but it is now taking input from a potentiometer and displaying it onto the uh, on the second row of the screen. Let us see now how it works. Value from potentiometer is 0, and if I increase the value of the potentiometer, is it increasing? It is not increasing. Yes, it is increasing after some time. So let us reduce the, oh my god, I had given a delay of 10 seconds here. That is what was causing the problem. I'll just say have 1 second delay here. In fact, we have, I don't need to clear, and I already have a delay in the beginning, so that delay will work. Okay, let's check it out now. It is showing a value of 205, and if I change this somewhere here, it is now 532, and this is now 839, this is now 1023. If I reduce it to 0, it becomes 0. Okay. Now I have not cleared, so it has not cleared the previous screen. So see, it is showing 0, 1023, it has removed the 1, changed it to a 0. So I should actually give it a clear, and give it a clear after a delay of 1 second. I'll say lcd dot clear. That should do. Let's run it again. So volume from potentiometer is actually also not displaying the full thing. So it will not, because alright. So when I reduce it to 0 now, it will show a 0. So there is no problem. Okay. Alright. I hope this is clear, because this video is after created after the previous video, so you already know what the code we are talking about. So the code was already done. We have just put the potentiometer value somewhere inside. By the way, I have not used pin mode here, but still it is working. Alright, still it is working, because we don't need to set the pin mode if it is an input mode. But there is no problem in us telling the computer, okay, pin mode. Alright, so I'll say pot pin is input mode. So if any pin is actually used for input, I don't need to specify. Okay, if it is only when it is for output, we need to specify. But in all cases, you people should be using pin mode, even if it is for input. Okay. All right. I hope the program is clear to you, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.